I'm short the ES here, 85.50. Expectation is to move down and take out these lows and really all of this weakness down to this 75 area. But we're pushing into this volume, so if we can get through that, this has a nice chance to go for a real big trade. We're definitely getting a little bit of a reaction. Some volume coming in. Definitely have some limit buying coming back into that volume. Hopefully we don't get a retrace up higher before a move down, but it looks like that's going to be the case. And I'm taking out for a full loss. I'm long 92.25, and this is a real aggressive entry, being with how big the stop is, but we had this two-way spike push down. Looked like we were going to have the longs trapped, but then we had this really big absorption coming in. So we'll see if we can push up, but this is completely opposite of what Kelly's read is here. So I don't really like that, but I got to stick with my own read, and we pushed down into that LVN again and rejected on a big increase in volume. So we're going to see who is stuck, but there's a lot of potential short stuck from this area as well, but we have also the potential to flush all the way up. This has all been tested, so I'd be looking to take this off up into here, but it's not making it easy right here. So I'm going to reduce my risk on any push up above this area. And so his whole read was based on the weakness to the left below, but it doesn't really look like the structure supports that to me. But we're really stuck at my entry now, and definitely some absorption coming. So let's see if we can push out these shorts. Man, I got just like the price where that is trading exactly. That's the nice little flush there. I'm at break even now. So we have the chance to move all the way up into this untested area. Probably 46. I mean, anywhere in here is going to be a real nice win. Now we just need to go, but I think we have a lot of trapped shorts. I think this LVN is probably a good exit, the 46.0175, but this has all been tested as well, so I'm just going to try to watch price and see what we can do. Have some pretty good volume coming in now. And shorts really can come back into this market at any time, but I'm just locked in 2 points just to have something on this trade, but hopefully I don't get taken out. I got taken out two freaking points after being up all this way. There's my initial target on the trade, nearly 10 points, and I took off 2. So that's unfortunate. And then I tried to get a re-entry here around 95.25 when we came down and took out this liquidity and imbalance stop. I was trying to get a pullback to this area, but the stop was pretty big, so we can still see my order in there. I'm not leaving it in. I just wanted to show the trade, but into this kind of LVN of the imbalance, and didn't work out. Trying a long or a short here, We have pushed up above the range and failed this LVN, and now we had some pretty big absorption coming in here. So to me, this seems like these late last longs are potentially stuck. I didn't get filled yet, so I'm hoping that that happens before the breakdown of this area, and anywhere into this previous demand would be a good exit. Definitely a good trade. Unfortunately, I didn't get the entry, so, and now we've broken down real nicely here. So that's, I just barely missed it by, a tick. Oh, that sucks. I'm gonna pull my order now, obviously. Breakdown of the range since we broke the lows and have come down into this fresh demand now. We're not sure, but this would be the expectation, that we would come to the origin of this demand, and I'll kind of reassess and see how we handle this now. But potential to have quite a few longs now trapped. Order flow hasn't really changed much yet, but really too bad I missed that short. That was a really nice one. It was at least 6 points conservatively, I would say. I could have taken on that trade. Still looking for a re-entry. Not sure. I feel like this is a possible demand level, but we have a lot of trapped longs now in this market, so still mindful of all of this weakness to the downside. This is definitely an area where we have seen previous strong selling, so I wouldn't say my context is long for sure, but I want to see a little bit more information about what's likely to happen here.